Today we're comparing the Smart Band 9 Pro versus the all-new Band 10 to see which one deserves your wrist. Spoiler, both are impressive, but one might surprise you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tech breakdowns. First, let's talk displays. The Band 9 Pro sports a solid 1.7 for AMOLED screen with 2.2mm bezels and 1200 nits brightness. But the Band 10 pushes boundaries with a larger 1.7 to pill-shaped display featuring even thinner to 0.0mm symmetrical bezels and a brighter 1500 nits panel. That extra 25% brightness makes a real difference in sunlight. Design-wise, both offer premium builds. The Band 9 Pro comes in colorful aluminum alloy frames with quick-release straps. The Band 10 steps it up with a jewelry-grade ceramic edition option and introduces innovative strap designs like the Pro Chain pendant that converts to a necklace. Both are lightweight. The Band 10 shaves off fractions at 15.95 grams versus the 9 Pro's slightly heavier frame. Health tracking sees major upgrades. Both feature 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, advanced sleep analysis, with animal avatars women's health tracking, but the Band 10 adds new sleep improvement plans with 21-day personalized routines and collaborates with international sleep societies for more scientific recommendations. For fitness enthusiasts, both pack 150 sports modes and 5 ATM water resistance. The Band 9 Pro already had great swim tracking, but the Band 10 introduces real-time underwater heart rate monitoring, a game-changer for swimmers. It also adds heart rate broadcast to cycling computers, perfect for serious athletes. Battery life is identical on paper, up to 21 days typical use. But the Band 10's more efficient chipset means you might squeeze out extra hours in real-world use. Both offer 8 to 10 days with always-on display enabled. New on the Band 10 is the Xiaomi Smart Hub integration with Hyperos 2. Control your Xiaomi earbuds and other devices right from your wrist. A slick ecosystem featured the 9 Pro lacks. Both have music controls and notifications, but the Band 10 adds more interactive watch faces with mini dash games. So who wins? If you want the absolute latest tech and ecosystem features, the Band 10 is worth the upgrade, but if you find the Band 9 Pro at a discount, it's still a fantastic device that covers 90% of the same features. Which Xiaomi Band would you choose? Drop your thoughts below. For more wearable tech showdowns, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next comparison.